Hello my students, I am Mr. Tariq and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to simplify fractions step by step. So without ado, let's get started. So let's simplify this fraction, and by simplifying a fraction we mean we have to make the numbers in the simplest form. So the numerator and denominator should be the simplest form, and to do that we have to find the higher common factor of both numbers and divide by this number. So let's find the factors of 4. Start with 4. So the factors of 4 means the number that multiply to get 4. So we have 1 times 4 means we have 1 and 4. Also we have 2 times 2 equals 4. That means we have 2. Now move to 12. The factors of 12, we have 1 times 12 and we have 2 times 6, so we have 2 and 6. We have 3 times 4. And now we have to find the higher common factor. So we have 2 is a common factor, but the higher common factor is 4. So we have to divide both by 4, and we will get to 4 divided by 4, 1, and 12 divided by 4 is 3. And this is the simplest form of the fraction. And we can also divide by 2, like 4 over 12. If we divide it by 2, because both numbers are divisible by 2 and 2 is a common factor, 4 divided by 2 is 2 and 12 divided by 2 is 6. But in this case we have to do it in a multiple steps. This fraction can be simplified more. So 2 and 6, the higher common factor is 2, so we have to divide it by 2, and we will get to 2 divided by 2 is 1, 6 divided by 2 is 3. The same result. Now let's move to the second example. We have 9 over 15. So we have to do the same thing. We have to find the factors of 9. We have 1 times 9 and 3 times 3. So we have 1, 3, and 9. So the factors of 15, we have 1 times 15 and 3 times 5. Now, the higher common factor is 3, so we have to divide both numerator and denominator by 3. So 9 divided by 3 and 15 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3, 15 divided by 3 is 5. And this is the simplest form of the fraction. Now let's move to example number 3. We have 16 over 40. So in case of big numbers like this, or actually they are not a big numbers, but if you feel like they are big numbers and you struggle to find the higher common factor, you can simply find any common factor, like 2 for example, because both numbers are divisible by 2. We can just simplify the numbers and then we can find another factor. So divided by 2, both of them, we will get to 16 divided by 2 is 8. 40 divided by 2 is 20. Now we can simplify this more. Now the numbers became simpler and we can find the common factors of 8 and 20. Let's start with 8. We have 1 times 8 and 2 times 4. So the factors of 20, we have 1 times 20, 2 times 10, and we have 4 times 5. Okay. Now we have to find the higher common factor. So we have 1 and 2 and 4, but the higher one is 4. That means we have to divide by 4. So 8 divided by 4 and 20 divided by 4. And we will get to 8 divided by 4 is 2. 20 divided by 4 is 5. So this is the simplest form of the fraction, because 2 over 5 The only common factor is 1, so we cannot simplify this more. But if you have already know that the higher common factor of 16 and 40 is 8, we could do this in just one step, because 16 over 40 equals 2. If we divide it by 8, both, 16 divided by 8 is 2, and 40 divided by 8 is 5. So we can simply do this in one step. And something we need to know, something very important, that these fractions are equivalent. So 16 over 40 is equivalent to 8 over 20. So we have not changed the value of the fraction, we just simplify the numbers. Also 2 over 5 is equivalent to these fractions. Now the last one is going to be your homework in this video. 42 divided by 49. You can always show me your answers in the comments. So if you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you in the next video. Bye.